Hi guys, panoorin natin itong isang video na to. Kitang-kita po dito yung dalawang presidente ng Pilipinas. Yung isa, yung past president, at yung isa naman, yung present. Kitang-kita dito natin mga kaibigan na yung past president medyo may sabit. Bangag ang utak. In short, bangag yung past president. Samantalang, yung Pangulo ngayon ay napakatino ng pag-iisip. Kitang-kita niyo po mga kaibigan sa kanila pong mga sinasabi. Panoorin po ninyo at kayo na po ang bahala na humusga. Kitang-kita niyo yung mga statement ng past president na si Duterte kung gaano po siya kabangag. Guys, kayo na ang bahala.
Kayong mga Pilipino nakikinig ngayon, boundary lang, tubig lang naman, hayaan mo yan. Insist on Philippines, Philippine Sea. Karami ng dagat natin, di ibigay na lang. Sige, yun na yan.
We have on our side the 1982 UNCLOS and the binding 2016 arbitral award, which affirms what is ours by legal right. This solid footing and through our clear moral ascendancy, we find the strength to do whatever it takes to protect our sovereign home, to the last square inch, to the last square millimeter.
I talked to my friend sa Xi Jinping, the leader of China. Kasi nakaibigan ko talaga and I value his friendship and his word. My friends, marami kaming Chinese dito sa Pilipinas. Ancestry namin Chinese.
非常高兴及吉祥中国国家主席习近平
The life-giving waters of the West Philippine Sea flow in the blood of every Filipino. We cannot allow anyone to detach it from the totality of the maritime domain that renders our nation whole.
Tayo. Yun ang history, tapos nagpahin sila ng kaso, nanalo tayo. Yung papel sa totoong buhay between nation, yung papel wala yan.
As President, I have sworn to this solemn commitment from the very first day that I took office. I do not intend to yield. Filipinos do not yield.
Kaya nga sabi ko, why are you so sparing? Gusto ninyo, gawain na lang ninyo kaming province, Fujian, pati Philippine province of China. Di wala tayong problema. Libre na lahat.
Our definition of our territory and our maritime zones with what international law permits and recognizes. This has been inscribed in Article 1 of our Constitution. As Senator, I was proud to co-sponsor our Archipelagic Baselines Law, which defines the basis of our maritime jurisdictions. As President, I look forward to signing our Maritime Zones Law, which will clarify the geographic extent of our maritime domain. Our efforts stand in stark contrast to assertive actions that aim to propagate excessive and baseless claims to force, intimidation, and deception. In the West Philippine Sea, we are on the front lines of efforts to assert the integrity of the UNCLOS as a constitution of the oceans.
Kayong mga Pilipino nakikinig ngayon, boundary lang, tubig lang naman, hayaan mo yan. Insist on Philippines, Philippine Sea. Karami ng dagat natin, di ibigay na lang. Sige, yun na yan.
We have defined our territory and maritime zones in a manner befitting a responsible and law-abiding member of the international community. We have submitted our assertions to rigorous legal scrutiny by the world's leading jurists.
Gusto ninyo, gawain na lang ninyo kaming province, Fujian, pati Philippine province of China. Di wala tayong problema. Libre na lahat.
As President, I have sworn to this solemn commitment from the very first day that I took office. I do not intend to yield. Filipinos do not yield. Ladies and gentlemen, we are not only unyielding in protecting our patrimony, our rights, and our dignity as a proud and as a free country.
Dito pa lang, kitang-kita na natin kung sino yung bangag. Diba? Si PBBM, mga kaibigan, ay talagang napakatino ng kanyang isip. Talagang ang kanyang mga sinasabi at ang kanyang mga paninindigan ay talagang para sa ating bayan at sa mga Pilipino. Samantalang yung past president ay para sa kapakanan ni Xi Jinping. Wala po siyang pakialam sa mga Pilipino kahit mawala po sa atin ang West Philippine Sea. Basta ang para sa kanya ay maayos ang relasyon nila ni Xi Jinping. So, kitang-kita po natin dito na mas mahal po niya si Xi Jinping at ang China. Kitang-kita po natin na ipinagkanulo niya ang Pilipinas. Take note, Pangulo siya ng Pilipinas, meron siyang mandato para ipagtanggol ang ating teritoryo, ang ating mga karagatan, aerial space, at lahat. Pero eto siya, ibinibigay lang niya ang ating West Philippine Sea. At take note nanalo na tayo sa arbitral ruling. Pero, ano sabi niya? Wala daw kwenta yon. So mga kaibigan, kitang-kita natin kung sino ang matinong Pangulo. Admin Rich, Comentarista.